Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll guide you through the AI Photo Studio. Now, that's a powerful tool designed for creating enhancing, stunning images effortlessly. So, to get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI Photo Studio button. Now, this feature allows you to generate, edit, and enhance images to fit your creative needs. Begin by uploading an image you'd like to enhance or creating a new image from scratch by entering a detailed description. So what I have done is created an image of a father and son. And what we'll do is we'll type in on the prompt, replace background, a serene mountain landscape with a sunrise. So enter a clear description just to create a custom image. The more detailed your prompt, the closer the output will match your vision. Garbage in, garbage out. Just remember that. So once your description is ready, click Generate. Let the AI create a professional quality image in mere seconds. So you could use the built-in editing tools to refine your image further. You can adjust the brightness, apply filters, crop, or add artistic touches to get that preferred results. When your image is ready, you can save it to documents, you can download it, or you can essentially delete it. So the AI Photo Studio makes professional image creation and editing simple and accessible. So log in now and bring your ideas to life with AI Toolkit Online.